Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I got something special for you tonight. I just got done with a live video, but now I'm going to take you to a hidden speakeasy here in Resorts World. Stay tuned, like and subscribe this video and this channel. Let's get to it and hang out. Alright guys, we've reached our destination, Meow'S Mamak stall. You're gonna see all these cool waving kitties in here. With some ramen and some pho. You can see all around. Michaela will love this. She loves Japanese food, snacks, candy. Oh, Marcus Samuelson has a book out. He is one of the, I believe he's a top chef. Maybe I could be wrong, but I could have swore he was a top chef. Is the bar still open? Is it available to go in? Oh, brilliant. Thank you. All right, we're getting a drink. Oh my God, this is so cool, guys. Let's grab a drink.
Hello, sir.
Hey, how are you?
I'm outstanding.
Thank you. I think I am just gonna try a rum and coke.
Hey, every bar got that.
Keep it classic.
You take a lime as well?
Yeah.
You know what? It is International Rum Month.
It is.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, since you're doing a rum drink, may I make a rum drink for you?
You know what? Shoot, go for it.
All right. So, it's a drink that I made called a Mary Pickford's Punch.
Okay.
All right. So, it's an updated version of a classic.
Okay.
All right. So, thank you for being adventurous, and
Hey,
I won't
absolutely.
let you down.
I trust you. It's all good. All right, we went with the bartender's suggestion. I was just going to get a rum and coke, but we're going to go with a Mary Pickford's Punch. All right, guys, and this is what we're dealing with. The Mary Pickford's Punch. We're going to try this out. Good stuff. All right, guys, it's a Mary Pickford Punch. Happy National Rum Month. I like that. I like that a lot. So one of the bartenders here was telling me that Resorts World used to open, or it did open, and manage this speakeasy. And recently, in the last week or two, the Zook group took over, and they're going to be redoing the menu and things of that nature. So be on the lookout for that. was absolutely delicious. And when you come to Resorts World and you're looking for the Speakeasy, look for the kitty store in the food court with the waving kitty hands. Alright guys, we had, what was the name of this drink?
Mary's Pickford's Punch.
Mary Pickford's Punch. Come see Adrian at the Speakeasy here at the Resorts World Lounge.
Is that going to be on YouTube?
Yeah, it's going to be on YouTube, a vlog.
Oh, fantastic. I'll look for it. What are you going to title it?
I'll think of something fancy in about 2 hours after this drink going on. Oh, foggy. But, we're definitely going to be back and doing more vlogs and lives, and we're going to send everybody we know your way.
Oh, it looks fantastic. We'll be happy to have it.
All right, thank you.
Very well. Thank you.
So just in case you guys were wondering, the drink was only $16. That's about $2 cheaper than a drink at like Jock Lindsay's Hangar Bar or say like Polite Pig down at Disney Springs. Moved to Vegas and already saving money. All right, one last look as we're leaving the Speakeasy. Absolutely brilliant. There you go. There was the Speakeasy. Gone. Absolutely brilliant. And it was cheaper than Disney. Like I said, $17, $16 for a drink compared to like 17 to 20. Brilliant. And the music was good. The bartenders were fun. They're attentive. Good times. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for this video at the Miss Meow's Mamak stall. Definitely come check it out. Come check out that Speakeasy that you see back here, right there. Until next time, you guys take it easy. I'm feeling good from that drink that Adrian hooked us up with. Yeah, if you're watching, Adrian, good job, my friend. That tasted delicious. Until next time, my friends, you stay lingering and, of course, stay excellent. See you guys later.